as Ukraine's drone operator usually aim for the top back section of the tank, as it either hits over the engine which immobilizes the tank and can cause an internal fire, or the back section of the turret, as the weaker armor can easier lead to a penetration to the ammunition inside and sensitive components. This Ukrainian drone operator hunting down a T-72B3M tank with a cope cage went for the latter and managed to hit it perfectly, causing an immediate detonation of the ammunition, causing the tank to disintegrate into smaller parts flying all over the place, leaving some burning fuel left of the tank, showing the Ukrainian drone operator's skill and precision of taking out Russian tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.